Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am very excited today to be collaborating with my new friend Anuka from Anuka Fluid Art Design. I'll list her channel in the video description because if you're not already following her, you definitely should be. She's an amazing artist. She has this technique called a flick and spin. Kind of reminds me of Sarah Mac's Ninja Swipe, but she puddles the paint here in the center and then uses her finger to flick the paint out, and it creates a really cool kind of pinwheel or flower shape. I think it's really cool, and I can't wait to play with it and see what all it's capable of. So I've got some really fun colors here. I have Amsterdam Phthalo Turquoise in their Expert series. I have Deco Art 24 Karat Gold. I have Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. I have Amsterdam Pearl White, and I have Amsterdam Turquoise Green. And then I also have, for my base coat color, I have Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with just a little bit of sky blue light, just to give some really, a nice soft negative space color. I'm working on an 18-inch by 24-inch canvas. And normally I paint from over here when I video, but I'm on this side because I've set up a box on this end because I have no idea how far my flicks are going to go. So I wanted a barrier there. When my floors are taped down, so when I spin this out, that's not a problem, but I wasn't sure how far that flick was going to go, and I didn't want it to go beyond my tape barrier. So we will get started with putting down our base coat.
Talk on the town. They say you're alone now. They say that you ain't sound, but I don't believe any of that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I think there's a treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy or true. Yeah, like a like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.
So here are the dry results of my two flickin' spins, inspired by Anuka Fluid Art Design. I have to say, I absolutely love this. Look at the motion and the depth and the just abstract nature of it. I love, love, love this. I know in the video when I was making it, that blue against my black tarp on the table, the blue was showing up as white, but now hopefully you can tell that that is actually a light blue base. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. And the center dried perfectly. You can see the sparkle and shine from the gold. And actually, I really love what that pearl white does too. It dries transparent, but it gives a really beautiful, soft white shimmer also. This one here just fascinates me. That is so cool. Those two, this one here that goes up almost like it's layered, and this one with it twisting. I think it's so cool. It dried beautifully. Look at that sparkle. I think this needs a good coat of resin or something. It'll bring that wet look back to it. But it's beautiful dried too. I really, really love it. Some beautiful, look at these cells in here. So gorgeous. I love the motion of all of this. I love the way it wraps around all of the negative space. Okay, so here's the first one. Let me grab the second one. So here's the second one. I like this one too, not as much as the other one. The other one, the bigger part of the splatters came out a little further, so it took up more space on the canvas. But I think this is beautiful too. It definitely looks like, it almost looks like this flower, when it landed, it splattered all over the place. I really, really love this technique. Thank you so much, Anuka, for being such a good instructor in your videos, that I was able to get something this beautiful on my very first try. Everyone else, if you're not following Anuka, please check out her channel. I've got the link in the video description below. I love these splatters. It's so beautiful. Give her a like on her videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I Absolutely love this. I think you're probably gonna see me do a million of these. So much fun. It's like, it's very similar to Sarah Mac's Ninja Swipes, but in a more controlled manner. I really, really love it. So I hope you do too. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.